Hello, Chef.
Hello.
Welcome to Bahrain.
Thank you so
And
much.
It's a privilege to have you here.
Mhm.
We are very excited to have you in Bahrain, and we are also looking forward to try the Rajasthani cuisine
Yeah.
that we are going to try in
Mhm.
Bikaner Wala.
Wow.
So I welcome you on part of Bahrain, Bikaner Wala, and Rajasthanis in Bahrain.
Lovely. That's a lot of welcome. Huh? So that puts a lot of pressure on me to
No.
to produce the experience 3x.
Oh, of
kind
course,
of,
yeah. I think you will be able to do that amazingly.
Yeah.
But also the Bahraini society, it's the most heartwarming society ever. The people are very kind and
Yes.
very wholesome.
Yeah.
So the experience here, I am sure it is going to be very wonderful for you.
I'm hoping the experience has to be royal Rajasthani.
Oh,
So I
wow.
told him when it is Rajasthan, it is automatically by default royal, because every corner of Rajasthan has different kind of royalty
True.
or different type of royalty, and you can experience that not only in the culture, in the people, the way people behave or talk with you, interact with you, but the biggest part of any culture is food, because
Yes.
it directly reflects what the people are, So that's what I'm trying to bring here, and I hope at Bikaner Wala in Bahrain,
Yeah.
that experience lives, breathes, and then people can kind of talk about it, and it becomes a memory for family and people.
Wow, I'm sure it will be like that. So Bikaner Wala, it
Yeah.
itself has a history of 120 years and
Yes.
more.
Yeah.
And having it in Bahrain, it is our privilege, and it brings the taste of India more authentic, like chaats and not only dal bati churma.
Yeah.
What is your take on Rajasthani cuisine apart from dal bati churma? Because that is the concept. People
Yeah.
think that is the Rajasthani food. What would you say
See,
on this?
the cuisine of Rajasthan is very, very varied.
Yeah.
It's very vivid. And also historically, it is dependent on many factors, like the royalty of Rajasthan.
Yes.
So the kings, the various, the Rajput, the clan.
Gharanas.
Then you had this Brahmin clan.
Yes.
And then you have many such clans which collectively made this cuisine.
Okay.
As what we call as Rajasthani cuisine or Rajasthani, the grand Rajasthani food collection. So you have Mewar, you have Marwar,
Yes.
you have Shekhawati, you have all these regions from where these cultures come in, and then the food steps in.
Yeah.
So there is one big thing that divides Rajasthani or food of Rajasthan, say into vegetarian and non-vegetarian.
Okay, yes,
Yeah.
of course.
Yeah. So the food of Rajputs, the
Yeah.
kings, the prince, and all those people was majorly because they were hunters. Was non-vegetarian. So you have the lal mas, the
Yeah.
sule, the safed mas, the pila mas, and all that.
Okay.
So that is one unique concept.
Okay.
But the more unique, the more innovative, or the more dependent cuisine of Rajasthan, because of being a dry state, is also vegetarian.
Yes, there's lots of scarcity of green food or
Yes.
agriculture there.
Yes.
So people, I think they tend to become more creative with their
Yes.
out of necessity and
Yes.
also out of the geography.
The geography, the climatic conditions, and,
Yeah.
because it's a desert. So a lot of things which grow in desert in abundance,
Yeah.
can be dried and used when it is not in season.
Right? Okay.
Yeah, when it's
Makes
really
sense.
hot.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's 50 degrees.
Oh my God! Like in Bahrain, in Bahrain, we are experiencing it right now. Yeah.
So the 50 degrees of Rajasthan is very, very, very hard
Oh.
on the growth.
Yes.
Yeah. Very hard on the soil. So there's no water.
Yeah.
And whatever water is there on the soil keeps going down.
Yes.
Keeps pouring down. So herbs and small plants which the roots are not so deep,
Yeah.
they cannot pull out that water or the minerals
Okay.
to grow. So when people centuries ago, I guess, realized that this is what is happening in deserts, and in off seasons, that's what I call it. You don't get the greens, the beans,
Yeah, true.
the palak, the this and the that.
Yeah.
They started drying it,
Yes.
and then when it is dried or it is dehydrated naturally. Geography is also very vivid because there are regions like Bundi and Kota where there is ample of water.
Okay.
Yeah, but when you start going towards the desert, which is Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, and beyond that,
Yeah.
and also Bikaner.
Yes. Yeah.
So,
the origin.
so yeah, it starts getting drier and drier
Yes,
and drier.
true.
But hundreds of years ago, people realized that you can dehydrate food
Okay.
and then regenerate it
Yeah.
naturally, organically, and then make a lot of vegetables, preparations, curries, chutneys, achars, and so many other things.
It's endless.
Yeah, it's absolutely endless.
The Gen Z, they might think that dehydration is a new concept,
Yeah.
but our ancestors, Rajasthani people, they have been doing it since ages.
Yeah, so during my travel around the world,
Yeah.
when I meet chefs, they talk about dehydration techniques and this and that. एंड आई थिंक ये तो मेरे पूर्वज पता नहीं कितने साल, हजारों सालों पहले से कर रहे थे, एंड दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस राइट नाउ, दे आर रियलाइजिंग दिस. सो देन आई रियलाइज्ड, यू नो, दिस इज many years back, that why our cuisine from India, any part of India, you take Rajasthan specifically because we are talking about my state, most culturally rich and heritage rich state. So वहाँ की cuisine ऑलरेडी इतनी इवॉल्व है जो आज पता नहीं कितने हजार साल बाद लोग रियलाइज कर रहे हैं और उसको इवॉल्व कर रहे हैं. पिकलिंग, फर्मेंटेशन, हम तो कांजी कब से बना रहे हैं.
I know.
गाजर की और बीटरूट की. Yeah, it's very healthy.
अब ये नया ट्रेंड आ गया गट फ्रेंडली एंड ऑल, एंड हमारे लिए ये हिस्टोरिक है.
हमारा गट कब से फ्रेंडली है. So it's like that, you know. So I also realized, I'll give you a small incident. I was somewhere, and there were a lot of chefs, and they were talking about activated charcoal.
Okay.
You know, so that's when I realized, and I just raised my hand. I said, sorry, you're talking about activated charcoal.
Okay.
I'll tell you a story which is 40 years old, which I've seen with my own eyes. My grandmother cooking on a chula. You know, in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, cooking on a chula, roti. You know, तो वो रोटी जो मोटी रोटी होती है, लकड़ी पे पकती है, तवा होता है, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर black spots आ जाते हैं. That is activated charcoal. So these chefs as scientists from all across the world were saying हमको एक्टिवेटेड चारकोल कार्बन चाहिए बॉडी में. ऐसे मेरी दादी तो 200 साल पहले से दे रही है.
देख रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं.
Then they said, okay, we want to see this.
Okay.
You know, so the next day they actually organized gas.
Okay.
So there was no chula there. A gas, tawa, मैंने आटा गूंदा, उनको फुल्का बना के दिखाया with the black spots.
Okay.
I said, this is activated charcoal. Free. You don't have to do anything. And you can eat it just like that. फुल्का जो है या पराठा जो है. So that is what the cuisine of our country is.
That is true.
And when we come specifically to Bikaner or Bikaner Wala, as we're talking from, so I have a deep connection with Bikaner.
Okay.
Because my dad, so his education was done in Bikaner.
Okay.
So when he grew up, then when he was in the army, and then I grew up, then I came to know he's from Bikaner. So I visited Bikaner twice.
Okay.
You know, so the dairy is so rich. India got the best. I know many people will get angry with me, but the best rasgulla comes from Bikaner.
Especially the Bengalis.
But it comes from and the grass in Rajasthan is a very specific and nice grass.
Okay.
So what happens there is, you know, many. So I visited a couple of months ago a place called Dholpur, which is in Rajasthan.
Okay.
तो वहाँ की जो गिर गाय का घी है, probably it's the best ghee I've ever seen in my life.
Oh wow.
It's so pure.
The aroma.
Yeah, the aroma, the quality, the finesse, the when we say, many people today say ghee is healthy. Why is it healthy? There are two types of ghees. एक मलाई से बनता है, एक दही से बनता है. Yeah. So I actually went to this place and I saw the entire process.
Okay.
धौलपुर की गर्मी में 50 डिग्री में.
Wow.
I saw this कि वो फुल फैट क्रीम का जो है दूध आता है.
हाँ जी.
उस दूध को दही में तब्दील किया जाता है.
जी.
15 किलो दही से 900 ग्राम घी बनता है.
Only?
Yes.
Oh wow.
So you imagine दही is probiotic.
हाँ.
तो कितना प्रोबायोटिक एलिमेंट 15 किलो दही का एक छोटे से 900 ग्राम के जार में.
इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
एंड देन व्हेन आई सॉ दिस घी, जब आप इससे पकाते हैं तो एक चम्मच डालेंगे, इट एक्सपैंड्स एंड बिकम्स 2 स्पून.
ओह यस, ऑफ कोर्स.
सो यू आर इवेंचुअली यूजिंग वेरी लेस. So what they are giving you in 900 in practical use is in 1800 grams.
Wow.
So that's what the cuisine of Rajasthan, small ingredients of Rajasthan.
Very
अब हम
interesting.
केर सांगरी की बात करें,
गट्टा, राबोड़ी.
राबोड़ी की बात करें,
Yes.
you know. So these things people have not seen.
I think that is most unique to Rajasthan,
Yeah,
right?
it is.
Rabodi.
Rabodi is where people don't know.
Yeah.
People know rabdi.
Yes.
But they don't know.
It's a world apart, right?
Yeah, वो कैसे बनती है, कैसे सुखाते हैं उसको,
बिल्कुल.
बाद में उसको तोड़ते हैं, फिर ड्राई करके रखते हैं. If you see, दही कितना important role play करता है राजस्थानी cuisine में.
Yes.
You know, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिसमें वो पानी नहीं डालते, सिर्फ दही से ही काम हो जाता है. You know, and दही has to be very high quality. और ये सारी गिर गाय है इंडिया की. कोई बाहर की स्विट्जरलैंड की गाय का दूध नहीं है ये. ये हमारी राजस्थान की मिट्टी की घास है. उस घास को गाय हैज कंज्यूम्ड और वो दूध निकला है.
Interesting.
This I've seen with my eyes. You know?
Yes, of course.
You know, in many states of Rajasthan.
Yeah.
So हमारा जो cuisine है राजस्थान का, वो सिर्फ इसलिए रिच नहीं है बिकॉज उसमें घी इस्तेमाल होता है, या उसमें ड्राई फ्रूट इस्तेमाल होते हैं, या डेयरी का ज्यादा इस्तेमाल होता है. वो रिच इसलिए क्योंकि वो कल्चर को बहुत अच्छे से रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. कल्चर को आगे निकाल के लाता है. और वो कल्चर क्या है, किस तरह से generations have been, you know, living in the state, have been actually the life has progressed in such a way that culture is now coming. in every bite has that culture.
Wow, so interesting. So tell me, chef,
Yeah.
how did your journey start? How did you get interested in this line?
Uh-huh.
How did you go from so many high-end restaurants, managing them, and then going to television? What is that like?
So I'll tell you how I became a chef.
Yes, please.
You know?
Yeah.
So my entire background is defense. Father was in the army.
Ji.
Even my mother was in the army.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, but my father is from Rajasthan,
Yes.
and he's a Brahmin from Rajasthan.
Ji.
My mother is a Sardarni from Punjab.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So in my बचपन,
Yeah.
मैं अभी भी छोटा ही हूँ वैसे तो, बिकॉज सीख रहा हूँ, you know, अभी भी बचपन ही है, तो मैं सीखना चाहता हूँ बहुत.
जी जी जी.
So मेरी दादी का किचन था सात्विक,
Oh, wow.
एब्सोल्युटली सात्विक.
Okay.
उसमें आप बिना नहाए
अच्छा.
यू कैन नॉट एंटर.
जी.
अगर आप घुस गए गलती से तो पूरा किचन धुलेगा.
Oh my God.
ओके, एवरी 15 डेज वो पूरा गोबर से लीपा जाता था,
जी जी.
विच इज नेचुरल, यू नो, नेचुरली सो गुड कि वहाँ इंसेक्ट नहीं आ सकते,
Okay.
चींटियां नहीं आएंगी,
जी.
कुछ भी नहीं आएगा बिकॉज ऑफ दैट गोबर,
जी.
लिपाई की वजह से.
Okay.
या एंड देन चूल्हा था, ये चूल्हा था, गैस थी,
जी.
दोनों चीजें थी,
Okay.
बट मोस्टली खाना नीचे बैठ के बनता था.
हाँ.
एंड मेरे फादर, उनके ब्रदर, उनके कजन ब्रदर, 20 से 30 लोग
हाँ.
एवरीडे हमारे घर आते थे,
Wow.
मेरी दादी के घर में,
That's a big number.
और उनका खाना बनता रहता था, और मेरी दादी बनाती थी.
The kitchen goes on and
या
on.
या इट्स 24 आवर्स
Yes.
टाइप ऑफ,
I know.
यू नो. एंड फेस्टिवल्स, कोई भी त्योहार हो, आपको पता है राजस्थान के
Oh yes. Oh,
साल भर
yes.
त्योहार ही हो.
Yeah, गणगौर
Yeah,
तीज
yeah. बहाना
वहाँ से
चाहिए बस.
लेके, yeah.
सो वो त्योहार का अलग 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 खाना.
जी.
सबसे यूनिक चीज जब वो
जी.
खाना बनाती थी
हाँ.
तो वो उसको बिल्कुल नहीं चखती थी,
भोग लगता था.
बिकॉज वो भोग लगता था. सो यू कैन नॉट
wow.
टेस्ट.
I know.
लेकिन वो भाप से,
जी जी.
तो कई खाने की भाप वो यहाँ लेती थी,
Oh.
और उसको सूंघ के या यू नो
जी.
इससे टेस्ट करके, नमक चीनी सब बैलेंस.
Oh my God.
सो दैट इज साइंस.
Unheard of in these days, right?
Yeah. I've
Yeah.
never seen people doing that.
Yeah.
People want to taste again and again.
Yeah.
She never tasted,
And
and it was always perfect. Secondly, she was very high on sustainability.
Okay.
तो लौकी हुआ, तोरई हुआ, कोई भी सब्जी हुई, उसका छिलका, बीज,
हाँ.
सब इस्तेमाल होता था,
Oh,
100%.
interesting.
सो लौकी के छिलके के पराठे बनते थे,
क्या बात.
मसाले में पका के.
अच्छा.
करेले के छिलके की चटनी बनती थी, you know. So everything was used.
Nothing was wasted.
Nothing was. Dustbins were like 90% empty all the time. There was no concept of dustbin.
Yeah, it used to go
Yes.
to cows and
Yes.
camels and goats.
Yes.
Okay.
Plus onion garlic नहीं होता था because
Yeah.
सात्विक किचन था.
Yes.
मसालों का गेम था. घी, मस्टर्ड ऑयल, राई का तेल, कोकोनट ऑयल, सारे तेल इस्तेमाल होते थे.
Yes. Yes.
इंडिया इज ब्लेस्ड बिकॉज ये सारे
Yeah.
तेल हमारे पास हैं.
वो घानी से तेल आता था.
यस, कच्ची
है ना?
घानी से आता
अब
है.
लोग
जहाँ वो बैल घूमता है,
हाँ.
कोलू का बैल
Yeah.
बोलते हैं. So by the time I was 14, 15, probably I knew 50-60% of basics of
Wow.
cooking. Marination क्या होता है,
जी,
you know,
जी.
pickling क्या होती है, पापड़ कैसे बनता है,
जी.
राबड़ी कैसे बनती है,
You got
मंगोड़ी
the
कैसे बनती है.
best of both sides.
Yeah, so I-
Rajasthan, Punjab,
Yeah.
Nanihal,
Yeah,
Danjal.
yeah.
So nothing better.
So for me it was like food is the world.
Okay.
You know, although I was inspired to be in the defense,
Okay.
I always wanted,
Of course.
but suddenly I realized कि नहीं, I want to do something different, which I love.
Okay.
And I also thank my parents कि they said,
Yeah.
okay,
They were supportive
go ahead, what do you want to do, go
at
ahead.
that time.
Yeah, yes. Sure.
Okay.
So that's how my journey from childhood to hotel management,
Yes.
then hotel management to kitchen
Yeah.
happened, really.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what I want to do.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then to television. How did you
Television
shift to
was by accident.
Oh, really?
Yeah, somebody just approached me,
Uh-huh.
said, we are doing a show, would you be interested? I said, no.
Interesting.
Why would
Okay.
I come to television, you know?
Yeah.
I am a chef and I want to be in the kitchen.
Yeah.
I said, no, chefs also come outside and work in the kitchen. I said, ठीक है, दिखाइए मुझे.
जी.
तो एक दो शो दिखाया उन्होंने मेरे
हाँ.
को. I said, ठीक है. So as a child in the schools, I used to do a lot of plays,
Yeah. Okay.
Shakespeare also.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And the best one that I did maybe 15-20 times was Taming the Shrew.
Uh-huh.
And I played the main character there.
Oh,
So that was a 30-page script
wow.
which you had to rectify
Oh my God.
and speak
That's a lot
on stage.
on stage.
Yeah. So that fear of audience,
It was not there.
it was never there.
Yeah.
It was never there.
Okay.
You know, and then traveling all around India,
Yeah.
from say Kashmir to Visakhapatnam to Mizoram.
Yeah.
I've lived in Mizoram for 2 years
Oh,
as a kid. Yeah, and then my state Rajasthan,
yes.
the west part of India, the
Yeah.
western border, and Punjab also. तो वो सब देखने के बाद I had the confidence of language,
जी.
and उन्होंने उनकी बड़ी requirement थी कि हिंदी पे कमांड अच्छा होना चाहिए.
जी.
वो भी naturally tha. So that's how. Then they took me for an audition. My first audition happened, and they said, "Okay, enact if somebody is standing next to you." And there was nothing on the platform.
Okay.
There was only 3 cameras, and then make something.
Okay.
I said, "Okay." So I acted as if Sehwag, Virender Sehwag,
Oh, okay.
is standing next to me,
Interesting.
and I'm making parathas for him.
Acha.
So that worked.
Oh,
Yeah, so that was my first audition in 2005.
okay.
Yeah, so
21
that's-
years.
Yeah, 21
No
years.
looking back.
Yeah, yeah.
So many shows. I think almost 10 shows or more you
More
have.
than that. So maybe collectively I've done more than 1,000 episodes.
Wow, that's a number. That's a big number.
Yeah, so yeah.
And what about your international experience? Like, where have you been, and what
So-
have been the most interesting experience internationally?
So the UAE is one experience.
Of
Yeah.
course.
So UAE, I've done complete UAE. A lot of restaurants in here.
You were honored in UAE with some award.
Yeah. Skia. It's called
Okay.
the Sheikh Khalifa Excellency Award.
Yeah, please tell
Yeah,
us more
and-
about that.
So this is a group of Indian restaurants. So where we did, so they come and see consistency in surveys,
Yes.
in record maintaining, recipe standardization, process
Okay.
standardization,
Yeah.
the taste everywhere, the look and feel, the presentation, how the staff is presenting food, how they are telling stories about the food.
Okay.
So many criterias are there.
Yes, of course.
And it's a 6-month-long exercise.
Wow.
And after that comes this award. You know?
Yeah, it's a very
one of the biggest
prestigious
awards.
awards.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
that's
to do
a
it in
proud moment.
14 restaurants,
Okay.
you know, all across UAE,
Uh-huh.
it's a big achievement. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah. So I've done a lot of work in the UAE. And
Interesting.
I really love the Gulf part of it.
Yeah.
Because the people here, they're really passionate about food.
Yeah.
And they know the quality.
Yeah.
So be it Bahrain, be it Qatar, be it Kuwait,
Yeah.
be it the entire UAE, people love food.
The Indian food is not new to Middle East.
Yes.
They know
Yes.
and they really appreciate it.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Yes.
So our experience in Bahrain,
Mhm.
I think it is going to be amazing.
I
In
hope
these 2
so.
days?
I'm going to give
Yeah.
my best shot here.
Of course, of course, yeah.
Because Bahraini people, you know, what I felt in my 3-4 visits
Okay.
here is that they not only love Indian food, they also love India
Oh yes.
as a country.
Yeah.
They're very inquisitive about our cultures, about how we treat different spices, different ingredients,
Yeah.
and how many cultures we have
Yeah.
related to food.
Yeah.
So Rajasthani being one,
Yes.
and being very vibrant.
Yeah.
Also, the connection of dessert.
Okay.
This is the desert land, even that is the desert land.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And these people are also very fond of dairy,
Uh-huh.
cheese,
Yeah,
yogurt.
because the difficulties and challenges must have been similar.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Somewhat. Yes.
Yeah.
And the food is adaptive to the temperatures. You know.
Exactly.
And Rajasthan, except for red chili, the spices are not so heavy,
Yeah.
or they are not so harsh.
True.
You know. So elaichi, dhania powder is one of the main spices.
Yes.
Hing is there.
Yeah.
These spices are good for body. I'm not saying chili is not good.
Yeah.
But these are good for
Cooling effect.
digestive systems.
Okay.
And when you eat heavy dairy-based, ghee-based, you know,
Yeah.
stuff, it helps.
Okay.
तो वो cuisine के अंदर वो भी एक science है.
जी जी जी.
So that's what we bring along.
Have you tried Bahraini cuisine?
A little bit, yes.
Yeah.
I've tried everywhere
Yeah.
around the world.
Yeah. And
जैसे
then,
राजस्थान का पानी है,
हाँ जी.
जो जमीन का पानी है,
हाँ.
because of the scarcity, it's full of minerals.
Yeah. उससे स्वाद बदल जाता है.
बहुत ज़्यादा बदलता है.
हाँ.
बहुत ज़्यादा
Enhance
बदलता
हो
है.
जाता
It
है.
does, it does.
Yeah. वही चीज आप और कहीं बनाओ तो उसमें डिफरेंस आता है.
आता है.
Yeah.
Yes, आता
Yeah.
है.
That
You're
is
right.
true. I am a mountaineer. So from that context, I would like to ask a question for your journey.
Yeah.
It's like when we go to the summit, when we climb a mountain, and then when we share the picture with the community, people think, oh wow, that must have been easy. But it's really, really difficult.
Yeah.
The journey itself, the climb, the trek.
Yeah.
So in this context, I would like to ask, what has been the difficult moment of your journey, or the defining moment of your journey?
I think every day is a defining moment.
Wow.
Every meal is a challenge.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's quite related to
Okay.
mountaineering.
Okay.
जब आप mountaineering करते हैं, you wear that, you know, the gear.
Yes,
You
we
have
do.
the tools.
Yeah.
You have the cap.
जी,
You know.
हाँ.
So we also have the uniform.
हाँ,
We
जी.
also have the cap.
Yes.
You know.
हाँ.
And we also have the tools.
Yes.
Now, when you do mountaineering, to get all this,
Yeah.
you have put in so much effort
Yes.
to wear all that.
Yes.
Isn't it? You have
Yeah.
earned it.
True.
Everything you have earned.
Yeah.
Similarly for us, for me, I have earned everything.
Okay.
Through my passion, through my hard work.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there comes a stage, जैसे mountaineering में आता है,
जी.
if you're climbing 8,000 feet,
जी.
suppose,
हाँ जी.
oxygen कम होता रहता है,
होता
होता रहता है. 4000 पे जाके लगता है बहुत ऊपर आ गए,
जी हाँ,
यू नो,
हाँ,
पता नहीं ऊपर जा पाएंगे कि नहीं,
हाँ,
हम ऊपर देखते हैं, राइट?
बिल्कुल होता
नीचे
है।
नहीं देखते हम।
हाँ, नहीं,
कि हम कितना ऊपर आ
मंजिल
गए,
को देखते हैं।
हम कितना ऊपर आ गए ये नहीं देखते, हम ये देखते हैं हम कितना ऊपर जाना।
जी,
सो सिमिलरली इन माय प्रोफेशन
हाँ जी,
द थिंग इज कि मैं ये देखता हूँ कि यू नो एवरी गेस्ट,
हाँ,
द सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ दैट गेस्ट
Okay.
इज दैट पीक फॉर मी,
ओके,
कि वो पीक, उनकी पीक मेरे को दिख रही है कि वहाँ है,
जी,
मुझे वहाँ जाना है।
अच्छा,
उनका कल का क्या एक्सपीरियंस था hardly matters to me, that's finished,
Okay.
that's over.
हाँ जी,
Today he is climbing a mountain
अच्छा,
and I am the oxygen
oh,
for him to climb the mountain, you know.
yeah,
So I have to keep
that's a nice
keep
narrative.
generating my oxygen,
जी,
which is
हाँ,
my passion.
Oh,
The love for cooking, the love for ingredients, the love for being in the kitchen,
जी,
you know. So that excites me. So
Okay.
I kind of I get double.
uh-huh,
You know, I get divided into two parts when I'm into a
Okay.
kitchen.
uh-huh,
So one is administration,
अच्छा,
you know, and
जी.
one is actually cooking.
okay,
Because without that, without administration,
हाँ.
your cooking, which should be structured cooking,
जी.
doesn't really happen
okay,
in the right fashion. Yeah. So that administrator tells you कि अब ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है,
अच्छा,
and this part says हाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ, कर रहा हूँ, कर रहा हूँ, and then
Okay.
last में these two become one, and they say yes, I've done this, and you feel satisfied when people tell you कि you know, wow, the food was great.
course.
That doesn't happen 100%.
yeah,
Sometimes people also say ये अच्छा नहीं था, इसमें ये कमी थी.
जी,
So that is the biggest challenge. That is the
Okay.
defining moment
जी,
for you
हाँ
to
जी.
decide कि you know आगे क्या.
uh-huh,
You're not turning
Yeah.
back. You're not going down.
okay,
But yes, mountain की peak बर्फ गिर रही
हाँ
है.
जी.
वो आपको बोल रही है आज का दिन अच्छा नहीं है.
जी,
लेकिन आपका दिन आपको अच्छा बनाना है.
हाँ.
Because you have to fight
चलते
the
जाना है.
conditions और आपको चढ़ना है.
बिल्कुल.
Mind बनाना है. That's
So
about it.
apart from physical health, you also need your mental strength,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes,
That is
yes.
defining.
Mental strength
thing.
is very important. Concentration is very important.
Okay.
So when I started to realize
हाँ
that
जी.
concentration is more important, you know, I started swimming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Of course.
So I started swimming an hour every day,
Okay.
continuously, without stopping.
अच्छा. Okay.
Yeah. So I swim like, I have a 30-yard pool
हाँ.
and I swim like 100 laps
Wow.
almost every
जी.
day, non-stop.
अच्छा.
Because I am in my own space. When I'm swimming, there's nobody.
It's meditative.
It's me and my thoughts.
हाँ.
So I'm concentrating,
जी जी.
and also I'm learning how to breathe.
हाँ जी.
You know,
हाँ.
and I'm relaxing my body at the same time.
Yeah.
And I'm also exercising at the same time. So all that connects you to yourself. So any profession it can be
Yeah.
be any profession.
जी.
You have to connect to yourself.
Yeah.
You have to kill your stress.
हाँ जी.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you have to generate lot of passion every
हाँ जी.
day. Every day. अब जिस दिन आप पैशन को छोड़ दोगे इस तरह के प्रोफेशन में,
जी जी.
आप फिर आई एम सॉरी टू से कुछ नहीं कर पाओ.
I think किसी भी profession में, if it is
Yeah, I mean,
like that,
see-
you have to be passionate
you have to be.
about whatever you are doing,
Yes,
right? It
yes.
has to come from within.
Yes.
Chef, we are coming towards the end of our interview session today. My final question would be, ki, what would you suggest to the new generation who wants to take either being a chef as their career choice or for anything else? What do you see for your future? And what is the future of Indian cuisine or food as a whole?
Okay. So I'll answer the first question. Second
जी.
question, future of Indian cuisine.
Okay.
Yeah, or the future of the cuisines of India.
Yes.
I think it's the other way around. The cuisines of India is the future of the world. Yeah.
That sounds amazing.
So these cuisines
Yes.
have already started defining
Okay.
the way people look at food.
Ji.
Our regional cuisines, our chefs from India.
Ji.
You know, and then this has connection to the next question,
Okay.
which is the upcoming chefs of India.
हाँ जी.
So हमारे टाइम पे क्या था कि इटालियन फूड, फ्रेंच फूड, इससे सीखो उससे, अब वो नहीं है.
Okay.
Yeah.
हाँ जी.
Be proud of the fact that you are from India.
जी.
Be proud of the fact whichever part of India you are from. आपके घर की cuisine, region की cuisine, culture की cuisine, वो हर foreign cuisine से ज़्यादा बेहतर है. Start believing in that fact.
Wow.
Start learning from that. You know.
Nice, yeah.
So if I'm from Kerala, suppose,
Okay.
और कर्नाटका, और तमिलनाडु, और
Okay.
आंध्र प्रदेश,
जी.
और पंजाब, और राजस्थान, like I am,
Yeah.
अपनी cuisine के अंदर इतना इन्वॉल्व हो जाओ कि वो आपको पूरी दुनिया सिखा देगी, क्योंकि वो दुनिया वही है.
जी.
हजारों साल पहले भी लोग आग पे खाना बना रहे थे,
हाँ.
आज भी बना रहे हैं.
Yeah.
बट वो क्या बना रहे हैं, कैसे बना रहे हैं,
हाँ जी.
स्टार्ट दैट जर्नी फ्रॉम द बेस,
Yeah.
गो टू द रूट्स.
Yes.
यू नो, इट्स लाइक अगर एक पेड़ है
हाँ जी.
बहुत अच्छे फल दे रहा है,
हाँ.
तो वो इसलिए नहीं कि उसकी ब्रांचेस बहुत अच्छी हैं या लीव्स बहुत अच्छी हैं,
Wow.
उसकी रूट्स बहुत अच्छी हैं.
Yeah, that's a nice analogy.
जस्ट डिग एंड सी द रूट्स.
हाँ जी.
वंस यू रियलाइज कि वो कहाँ तक फैली हुई है, कितनी डीप है, और वो क्या एब्जॉर्ब कर रही है,
जी.
then you don't have to worry about the fruit. Fruit will
be nice.
come automatically, and the
Acha.
fruit is what you will bring to the world. So that's what my message is to every budding chef, every chef in the world. You know, try and do this, and you will bear your fruits. Don't worry, you will bear the best quality, the best original fruit, organic fruit, without adulteration, without anything, and it will shine like a star for sure.
That sounds amazing. Yes. So, I think,
Yeah.
so we will conclude our show here. Any parting message for Bahrain?
Okay, so Bahrain is such a beautiful country, and I think it's one of the most amazing part of the Gulf. Not only because the way it is built, but also because it is a small island, but it has everything. It has so much of beauty. It has so much of modernity, culture, and the people of Bahrain. So my message to every person in Bahrain, and especially the Rajasthani group in Bahrain, is your culture is rich. You are in a very rich, culturally rich, and organically rich state of the world, of the Gulf especially. So try and combine these two cultures. You yourself, the surrounding of this country will become even more richer. It will send messages, and it will send a lot of positivity into the universe, and Bahrain will shine like the way the sun shines here. 10 months, it is so bright, it will shine like that every day. And yes, as we say in Rajasthan, Khamma Ghani.
Thank you, Chef. Very humble of you. We are really privileged to have you here. Khamma Ghani and Namaste.
Ghani Khamma, Namaste.
Thank you.
Yeah.